Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used Audi vehicle. Enhance your drive with the 2022 model Audi A3 Sportback Sport that is a fresh in stock and does come complemented in the desired Manhattan grey metallic paintwork, really giving it that modernised edge overall. Alongside your petrol engine, you do have your manual transmission, making it the ideal nippy city upgrade, alongside plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your auto LED daytime running headlights, parking sensors and even your power folding wind mirrors for added protection when stationary. The boot offers a plenty of space to accommodate all of your day-to-day items and travel needs, alongside a very luxurious full leather trim for easy maintenance all round. The convenience does continue in the front with your multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your virtual cockpit and central touch display screen. You do also have your full leather trim alongside your very stylish multifunctional steering wheel options to seamlessly navigate around the vehicle. This does include your cruise control and limiter options to assist out on the open road, with of course your controls for your virtual cockpit displaying vital driving data, various audio and even your full view display of your navigation. You do have similar access on your central display to keep you fully entertained. Of course, your Bluetooth connection does come compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, alongside your navigation system, which is ideal for those who love to explore. For enhanced performance, you do have access to your Audi Drive Select. This does come complete with your efficiency and comfort modes, alongside your driving assistance with your lane departure warning, reducing the chance of any collisions. This is followed just below by your dual climate control options, alongside a handy charging pocket, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.